Studying doesn't have to be a grueling, time-consuming process. With the right techniques, you can learn more effectively, retain information longer, and even enjoy the process. Whether you're a student preparing for exams, a professional learning new skills, or someone simply looking to absorb information more efficiently, these 5 proven techniques will help you study smarter, not harder. 1. The Pomodoro Technique. Work in focused bursts. One of the biggest challenges when studying is maintaining focus. The Pomodoro Technique is a simple yet powerful method to combat distractions and boost productivity. Here's how it works. Set a timer for 25 minutes and focus entirely on your task. When the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. After completing 4 cycles, take a longer break, 15 to 30 minutes. Why it works. Short, focused bursts of work prevent mental fatigue and keep your brain engaged. The regular breaks also give your mind time to process and retain information. Pro tip: use apps like Focus Booster or Tomato Timer to automate the process and track your progress. 2. Active recall. Test yourself regularly. Instead of passively rereading notes or textbooks, actively test your knowledge. Active recall involves retrieving information from memory, which strengthens your understanding and retention. How to use it. After reading a section, close the book and write down everything you remember. Use flashcards to quiz yourself on key concepts. Explain the material out loud as if you're teaching it to someone else. Why it works. Active recall forces your brain to work harder, reinforcing neural connections and making it easier to retrieve information later. Pro tip: spaced repetition tools like Anki or Quizlet can help you schedule reviews at optimal intervals for long-term retention. 3. The Feynman Technique. Simplify to understand. Named after Nobel Prize-winning physicist Richard Feynman, this technique is all about breaking down complex ideas into simple terms. If you can explain a concept in plain language, you truly understand it. How to use it. Choose a topic you want to learn. Write about it as if you're teaching it to a child. Identify gaps in your understanding and revisit the material. Simplify and clarify until you can explain it effortlessly. Why it works. The Feynman Technique exposes what you don't know and helps you fill those gaps, leading to a deeper understanding. Pro tip: use analogies and real-life examples to make abstract concepts more relatable. 4. Mind mapping. Visualize your knowledge. Mind mapping is a visual technique that helps you organize information in a way that mirrors how your brain works. It's especially useful for subjects with interconnected ideas. How to use it. Start with a central idea or topic in the middle of a blank page. Branch out with subtopics, keywords, and concepts. Use colors, symbols, and images to make it visually engaging. Why it works. Mind maps engage both the logical and creative sides of your brain, making it easier to see relationships between ideas and remember them. Pro tip: tools like MindMeister or Xmind can help you create digital mind maps that are easy to edit and share. 5. Spaced repetition. Review over time. Cramming might help you pass a test, but it won't help you retain information long-term. Spaced repetition involves reviewing material at increasing intervals over time. How to use it. Review new material within 24 hours of learning it. Revisit the material after a few days, then a week, then a month. Focus more on the topics you find challenging. Why it works. Spaced repetition leverages the spacing effect, which shows that information is better retained when reviewed multiple times over longer periods. Pro tip: use apps like Anki or SuperMemo to automate spaced repetition schedules and track your progress. Bonus tips for effective studying. Create a dedicated study space. Find a quiet, clutter-free environment where you can focus without distractions. Stay organized. Use planners or apps like Notion or Trello to keep track of your study schedule and goals. Take care of your brain. Get enough sleep, eat brain-boosting foods like nuts, berries, and fish, and stay hydrated. Mix it up. Alternate between subjects or topics to keep your brain engaged and avoid burnout. Studying doesn't have to be a struggle. By using techniques like the Pomodoro Technique, active recall, the Feynman Technique, mind mapping, and spaced repetition, you can learn more efficiently and retain information longer. Remember, the key to effective studying is consistency and adaptability. Experiment with these methods, find what works best for you, and watch your productivity soar. Now it's your turn. Try one of these techniques today and see the difference it makes. Happy studying! Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you found these study techniques helpful and that they inspire you to study smarter, not harder. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to the channel for more tips, tricks, and insights on learning, productivity, and personal growth. Like this video to let me know you found it valuable. Share it with friends, family, or anyone who could benefit from these study strategies. Your support means the world to me and helps me create more content that makes a difference. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got questions or want to share your favorite study tips? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.